Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the meter type and range so you get a readable, accurate measurement. Connect the black probe to COM and red to V/omega. This prevents wrong jack errors. Once done, set the range slightly above the expected voltage, for example 20 V for a 12 V source, so the display is stable. Make sure the circuit power is off if you'll probe live components later, then turn the device on only when you're ready to take the reading. You now measure the live voltage. Select DC or AC mode depending on the source because the waveform matters to the reading. With the device powered, touch the red probe to the positive terminal and the black to ground or negative. Hold steady to avoid fluctuating digits. Once connected, observe the numeric value and unit, VDC or VAC, and note polarity if present. If the display bounces, increase the range or enable a hold/averaging feature to stabilize the readout. You finish by powering down the circuit if safe, removing probes, and storing the meter properly to preserve calibration. If you see 0 when you expect voltage, check probe seating, the meter fuse, and that the range and mode are correct. If you get strange or intermittent values, make sure the meter battery is good and confirm operation on a known reference like a 9V battery. This isolates meter faults versus circuit issues. One quick troubleshooting tip: replace the probe leads if readings remain inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.